I can't. The beast is guarding it. Oh no!
I like my diaper!
The princess lost her weapon against the big bad dragon.
Oh, I need that.
Get her, cat. Get her. Ta-da! Oh, now what?
What do I do? I have to.
Get her, cat. Get her.
No, no, no! I have to see her face. I have to.
Pick on her. Look.
Put me on this.
Look. Play.
Put me this on this.
She
There's a
doesn't,
pattern.
she doesn't even care if she's in a cage as long as she gets to play. Oh, she's gonna eat Dad.
Put me this on this. Please,
What?
please. Please.
Really? Princess, you've captured the beast.
Stop, stop. Stop, Daddy. I put this over here. I put me over here.
Get her.
No, 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 no! I have to stay in her cage!
Keep trying. Keep trying. Get it off of there.
No, out.
That's minion behavior.
Give me a toy. No pokey toy.
Nothing that pokes me.
No, not one.
How about... I don't know how many people remember this little puppy, but here's a little puppy. I think she ate it.
No, no, no. What happened is not.
Give it. Give it.
I'm happy.
Yeah, there's a horsey butt in my face, so I hope you're happy. About chicka wow wow.
Daddy, you are making me nervous. Daddy.
You're making me nervous.